fresh oil change for the boy. You know what I'm saying? They get that little bullshit ass free car wash with it. Bitch about to pull up out of here in a minute. You know what I mean? First oil change I had since I got the joint. But, you know what I mean? Get them every 5,000 miles with that synthetic oil. It's taking mad long. Pull that bitch out, man. That bitch glassy, too. That bitch glassy. Yeah. Yup. Thanks, yo. Yeah, I gotta get me some new wheels for this joint. Either get them painted or just get some new joints altogether. It's about to be the winter time, so probably end up just painting these joints for the minute and just rocking out. Just do a little quick POV drive on this joint. See how he drives, see what the difference is.
Something else. There was no downtime, and that's what I love. My life is too busy for me to be sidelined.
If you're tired of constant pain from arthritis or injury, don't think the old treatments are the only treatments.
I need to tap in with these Roar pedals. They kind of similar to the pedal commanders. These joints got money, man. They definitely take, you know what I mean, a lag up out of your car. I said I'd never drive a car again without these joints. Oh yeah, tell the difference already. That joint was mad sluggish. I usually get an oil change before the oil change light come on, but I don't really do too much driving now, so I actually, you know what I mean, just took that joint all the way to the 5,000 miles. Got the message up there. I was like, all right, let me get this joint done. This joint on Old Guy Ave, uptown in Philly. Shut up, bitch. What the fuck is your rush? Oh yeah, this joint super smooth. This joint super smooth. Needed this bad. I usually go over here to Midas to go get my oil change, but be having to make an appointment with them, and by the time I get off of work, you know what I'm saying, it'd be too late sometimes, unless you come in on the weekends. I'm trying to do all that shit, so it's like, fuck it. Fuck it. Nice chill ass day. So the Eagles is playing later on tonight, you know what I'm saying? Second week of football. Thursday night game, they playing the Vikings. Hopefully the Eagles smash these balls, you know what I'm saying? They ain't played so good during their first week. They played against New England. New England defense is good money, but overall, Eagles should smack the motherfuckers around, man. It was looking disappointing out this joint, but my Niners did they thug thizzle. You know what I'm saying? Bang, bang, Niner gang out this motherfucker. Come on, nigga. Driving slow as shit. This nigga can't even get the fuck over. He got to smack out. Dickhead. When I park up, I'm gonna check my oil too. Make sure y'all always do that, you know what I'm saying? It might seem like some common sense type shit, but you be surprised, man. Especially with these little neighborhood oil change joints. You ain't going to the shit. I don't give a fuck if you go to the dealership. I've had a situation like that before. I've actually went to the dealership. Very first car, I got a car note on. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes they give you a little joint where they be like, come get like free oil changes for the rest of the year. You know what I mean? Went up there. Needless to say, they fucked my shit up. I don't know if they ain't put the motherfucking drain cap back on the bottom or what, but that motherfucker was bone dry. Got a few blocks down. That shit started overheating, all types of crazy shit. So when I park up, I'm gonna just check the oil levels on this joint. Always got my receipt. You know what I'm saying? They always put the tag on here, let you know when you need your next oil change. You know what I'm saying? And how many miles. So that way they can't gag you and be like, oh nah, we ain't do that. Fuck out of here, man. I don't give a fuck if you paying for the service or not. Don't never take nobody's word for that shit. Sometimes you got, you know what I'm saying, players fuck up too. Sometimes you gotta check motherfuckers' work. Yeah, just wanted to do a little quick vlog. I ain't do a video in a minute, so just doing some quick shit. Keeping y'all updated with the fin. You know what I'm saying? I'll let y'all later.